guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my own gingerbread man. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell and like. Now let's get to the video. So first I'm going to get out the gingerbread man. Now I'm going to get out the supplies. There's some little chocolate balls and some little gumdrops. So yeah, now I'm going to start decorating. So I'm going to get this red paste icing, I think. And I think I'm just going to quickly do the eyes. And smile. Just a bit. It's good. The eyes, I'm going to make them blue. One on there. So it sticks. And on the other eye. This one's a bit weird shaped, but now I'm going to do the buttons with the paste. I'm using the red paste like glue to stick on the gumdrops and the chocolate balls. I think for the buttons I'm going to make it green. My favourite colour is not green, but it used to be green. Now it's purple. So I'm going to put some green buttons. Yeah, so I've done this so far, if you guys wanted to see. And now I'm just going to do some random swirly patterns on the gingerbread man. Maybe for the hands, I can like stick some all these chocolate balls on it. And maybe some for the feet. I think I'm going to do yellow for the hands and then red for the feet. Yellow for the hands. I first saw 5 gingerbread men, but I've already made 3 because I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait. Now I only have 2 left, and this is the one I'm making. So I've got the blue eyes, a red smile, green buttons, yellow hands, and red feet. I'm gonna fill in the little parts on the smile. I think I might outline it a little bit. Okay, I've done that. Now it looks like the outline of like a jacket or something like that. And then okay, now I think that's it. So I've decorated my gingerbread man. So I've made my gingerbread with some blue eyes, green buttons, yellow hands and red feet, and I did some outlines as well. So yeah, that's it really. I didn't really use these gumdrops. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!